Hey metal workers! Today, we're taking a closer look at the workhorses of the sheet metal world, uncoilers. An uncoiler is used to uncoil or unwind a long sheet of metal, typically steel, from a large coil. They all share two main functions. So with three types of uncoiler we'll discuss in how these functions are achieved within. As its name, this type is considered effortless hero with both functions automatically, ideal for high volume work, capacity up to 20 tons, without the need of another operator. Just like the automatic, a gear motor handles the uncoiling with a simple button press. Need to go back and forth? No problem, the semi-automatic has you covered. With this type you can choose either automatic or manual function is customized to your need. This option is the most affordable of the three, making it a great choice for budget-conscious metal workers. This type can rotate the coil manually by turning a handle and expand or collapse the arm yourself to adjust the material feed. Here is a small bonus for you, the instruction on how to expand or collapse the arm manually. Now let's take a look at So, which uncoiler will become your metalworking partner? Now get out there, choose your suitable uncoiler with our consultant, and keep creating incredible metal masterpieces. Until next time.